This NTR Kinetic recovery tow rope uses a thick nylon construction that stretches under load, making vehicle recoveries smoother and less jarring than with a traditional static strap or chain. Its generous 20-foot length and high braking strength give plenty of safety margin for pulling stuck trucks, sport utility vehicles, and off-road machines out of mud, sand, or snow. The included ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene soft shackles are impressively strong yet lightweight, avoiding the rust and sharp edges associated with metal D-rings. A tightly woven double braid and protective polymer treatment help the rope resist abrasion, moisture, and ultraviolet damage, so it holds up well to repeated off-road use. Reinforced, coated eyes at both ends make it easy to attach to recovery points while also protecting the rope from chafing during hard pulls. Overall, this kit combines strength, controlled stretch, and durable hardware into a compact package that inspires confidence for serious off-road recovery work.